So let's take a look at Bitcoin. Now, if we look at the weekly chart, we have this impulsive structure to the upside, and we are likely soon to finish this wave 5 and go into a new bear market. Now, the alternative scenario is this bullish structure. We're looking at a double 1-2, then this will probably be the last 1-2 until we see a huge surge to the upside. But this has lower probabilities because of the volume. If this volume overtakes this volume bar of this high, then this scenario rises in probabilities. So at the moment, we are looking to finish this wave 5, and now we should look at the 4-hour scenarios. So in the 4-hour time frame, we have basically two of the highest probabilities scenarios. Scenario 1, we have this impulsive structure in yellow, where we have this yellow wave 3 finish, and we're looking to a bigger range to finish the last push to the upside. Or the yellow wave 3 finished at this pivot, and the wave 5 already finished, and we could already see the beginning of the bear market. So, scenario 1, this is scenario 1. Scenario 1, bigger range, and then push to the upside. Scenario 2, a bigger correction, either in the wave 1, and we push to the upside of extended wave 5, or the bear market has started. So now we should look at the lower time frames. So if we take a look at this past move we have seen here, from 108k all the way down to 91. What happened there? So the first is this impulse. We have this impulse here, which is already finished in yellow, and we are now seeing probably a 3-wave corrective move to the upside, which could look something like this. An ABC in green, forming the wave W. Then we have the ABC in X. And now you could see here in diagonal a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, forming here an A. And then go down in a B and a C to finish the wave Y. This is scenario 1. Scenario 2 would then be that this is not counted as an impulse, but as a corrective structure WXY. So in this case, we will actually not see a bear market yet, unless we have a diagonal. But in this case, we have a WXY probably either of a triangle, of a bigger triangle, or of a flat. Now the probabilities for the flat are actually lesser because of this move to the upside. Because in a flat you want to see a D-wave to the downside, D-wave move to the upside, and then a 5-wave move to the downside. The problem here is that you preferably take out this high. But with a 3-wave move, that's in the first move and the tier, this is an A, B, and a very big C to take it as high. So probabilities for this scenario are actually not preferred. So I will look at this impulsive structure to the downside, which can either be an ABC or a wave 1, 2, 3. So now if we take a look at the lower time frames, at the 50 minutes, as I already told you, we probably have in the wave B or in the wave 2 of the impulse a WXY. Now in this case we have a WXY double zigzag. So zigzag in W, and A, B, C, zigzag in Y. So if you want to finish this X here, the only way to count this is with a diagonal. So we have here in yellow a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to finish the wave A, then come down to wave B, and then up to wave C to finish the WXY in blue, and to finish the wave V or the wave 2. So that's only one possibility. It could also be that this wave 1 is actually our wave A, B, C, then we see an ABC, 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 and we form a triangle. But that would then be a WXY double combo. But in a wave 2 or in a wave B, we preferably see lesser complex structures. So a WXY double zigzag is preferred. So in conclusion, what are we trying to see here? It doesn't matter if this is the impulse to the downside or if this is a WXY to the downside. This here. Because either in a WXY, we're looking for a flat to the upside or for a triangle. So we see higher prices. Now, if you look at the WXY and we have the impulse, we are seeing an A to the downside, a with WXY to the upside in B or in 2, which also means we are seeing still price to the upside. So in both cases, locally we are still looking to take out this high. So I hope you like this. Subscribe to the channel if you like it if you like it. If not, also like it. You know what everyone says. So yeah, bye bye.